Children, this is the question based on the dot product proving question, and in this question it is given, identity is given, that is mod of a vector plus b vector is equal to mod of a vector minus b vector. Okay, you have to find out the angle between them, theta. You have to find out what is theta, angle between a vector and b vector. Okay, so first of all we are going to use the property of the dot product. According to the property of the dot product, a vector dot a vector, the dot product of the similar vector always give you the square of its magnitude. So we are going to this condition and prove the angle theta between the a and b vector. So what we are going to do, we have taken this identity, and what we have done, we are squaring on both sides of this expression. Okay, so when you will square when you are doing square on both sides, now this will become like this. Okay, so this identity can be written in this form. Okay, so we will write it like this, mod of a vector plus b vector, and the dot product of this vector means this vector, a vector plus b vector. Okay, similarly we will write here also by using this identity and writing it in this form, a vector minus b vector and dot a vector minus b vector. Okay, now take the dot product of these two vectors. So first you will take the dot product of a vector with this bracket, and then dot product of b vector with this bracket. Okay, so how you will use, now see, a vector dot a vector dot a vector, similarly a vector dot b vector plus a vector dot b vector. Now take the product of the b vector with this bracket plus b vector dot a vector. Okay, and plus b vector dot b vector. Clear? And now multiply here also, a vector dot a vector, now a vector dot minus b vector, so you will write minus here, and a vector dot b vector. Similarly minus b vector dot a vector, so minus b vector dot a vector, and minus minus plus b vector dot b vector. You have to write this dot sign here, that is compulsory. Now see, here a dot a, here a dot a, so this will be cancelled out. Okay, here b dot b and here b dot b, this will be cancelled out. Okay, now here you have a dot b and b dot a, so we know that vector dot product is commutative, a dot b is equal to b dot a. So we can write here a dot b plus this a dot b. Similarly here you have a minus a dot b and here minus b dot a, so you can write it minus a vector dot b vector and minus a vector dot b vector. So here you have got twice of a vector dot b vector, and here you have got minus twice of a vector dot b vector. Take it this side, so twice of a vector dot b vector, and this will become here, so this will be plus twice of a vector dot b vector is equal to 0, so this will become 4 a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. Okay, now this can be written as 4 ab cos theta, because a dot b is equal to ab cos theta is equal to 0. Now this can be written as cos theta is equal to 0, for which angle cos theta is equal to 0, 90 degree. That means cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree, angle between A and B vector. So this is the solution of these type of question.